What we find cruising around.
Tarantula.
Look at that. That is so cool. I always get a little weird about picking these wild ones up because they could sting. Let's see what he does. Whoa. That's freaky. That is freaky. Let's put him down here. Check him out, dude. Face to face. Come on, buddy. There you go. Get in the hole. Go in the hole. How cool is that? Is that your home?
Yep.
Yep, there's where he lives. What you doing, pal? What you doing? We'll leave him alone, I guess, huh? Pretty awesome, though. Pretty cool. Alrighty, let's go. Dog time.